surprise Dada?
Mm-hmm.
With a cake?
Yes.
Yes! Ang ganda rin. Surprise for you! This is our market. Maliit lang siya, pero marami ka na mabibili. Hey Momshies! Welcome to another vlog. I'm here with Kuya River. Hi! We are going to run a few errands sa town, and I thought na isama ko kayo. So ngayon, we're just waiting for somewhere to ride. Taxi! Ewan ko kung naririnig nyo ako. Pero yeah, we're on our way to the town. Sama kayo sa amin. Tara!
I know that you are having a hard time right now. That everything seems to crumble around you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through. 'Cause we only want what's best for you. I know that you are having trouble believing right now that everything is gonna be alright. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through. 'Cause we only want what's best, what is best for you.
Nakauwi na kami. Naulanan kami ng konti. May batang tuwang-tuwa sa laundry basket. Sabi niya, what's inside? May mga ano yun dyan.
Do you got this?
Oh, what do you got this?
What do you got this, Mama?
What do I got this? Sa laundry bag. This is where we put our laundry. Isn't it nice? Maganda siya, ma'am. It's 800. Yung price lang. Pero feeling ko, hindi na kami mabibitin ito. Kasi lagi kami nabibitin sa aming laundry. Sumisilip talaga siya. Tapos yung pinuntahan ko sa Goldilocks is a surprise for Dada. So, isa-surprise natin siya. Yeah, we're gonna surprise Dada, no? A cake. I have a cake for Dada. We're gonna surprise Dada. Are you ready? We can surprise Dada? With a cake?
Yes.
Yes! So, andun na siya sa labas, sa may table. Tapos, mamaya ko na ilalabas kasi may kausap pa siya sa phone. So, for the meantime, ayusin natin to. Tanggalin natin. Okay, let's remove it, ano. Let's see what's inside.
And open it.
Gusto ko sana itago. Oh, let's open it together. Gusto ko sana itago yung mga laruan. Kaso lang, nahuli na ako ng batang to. Ayan. Matutuwa ka dun sa tent, anak. Let's make a tent. And the spaceship tent.
I can make it. I get to be excited.
Excited. What's inside? What's inside?
Wow.
Oh, tent. Oh, wow. A toy. You found a toy. Ayan na. Ang daming mga toys. Ito rin, must have to sa Baguio, Momshies, dehumidifier. Ayan.
What we have
So,
to.
napuno na kasi. Hi, kuya. Aray ko. May mga binili kong toys sa kanila. For police. This is for police. Usa police. You catch the bad guy. You use this in his hand.
And
And what is that? Oh, truck with a ladder.
a ladder. It has
Yes.
fire truck on it.
Fire truck too.
It has fire truck for me.
Fire truck for you. Ayan, meron ako nito. And binila ko si Dada na pang-massage sa likod. Ayan. So, hopefully, we'll try this.
Fire truck.
Parang masarap to sa
The
likod.
fire truck.
Oh, super excited na. Oh, hindi makapaghintay. Oh.
My fire truck.
Ayan. River, you share with your brother. I told you, that's for him. Yours is the boat. And then, meron tayo pang arts nila. Ayan. Mura lang doon sa Expressions. 140 lang to. Wow, you have a boat? Oh, boat. And this is a tent. How do we make the tent playhouse?
And my fire truck.
We make a plate. Ito yung binili namin kanina. 999. Pwede silang pumasok dito sa loob. Let's make this set up in a few minutes daw. Oh. Sige nga, try natin.
I'll help you people. I have to go to the river.
Ayan, may spaceship. Oh, very nice, anak, no?
Hello.
Hello. You have a house na? Hi, you have a house there. Do you like it? You have a tent there? Hello, boys. Do you like it there, Rain? Oh, there's a spaceship and the moon and the planet. Now, okay na yung mga bata. Na-set up na sila doon. Ito naman ang gagawin natin. It's so surprise. Ayan. Ang ganda, diba? Ayan siya. Thank you, Clutz. Oh, I'm so excited. Tara. I have a surprise for you.
Oh!
Happy Father's Day, Dada!
Kailan ang Father's Day?
Advance! It's so funny. Love you, Dada. Do you like it? Chocolate cake.
Yes, I like it. Ano ba kainin?
Oo, pwede na. Hello, boys. Where are you, boys?
My fire truck.
Knock, knock. Ding dong.
My
Ding dong.
truck. People.
Who's there? Hi, River.
Hello.
Do you like the tent?
Yeah.
Ba't sabi mo kanina you don't want to buy it? Now you like it? It's lots of stars. How about your brother? Where's inside? Who's inside? Hello, Rain. Hi. Oh, thanks. Ay, nako. Oh, busy, busy. Lagay kayo ng blanket dyan and then you can sleep there. You want to sleep there with a pillow?
I want the pillow.
Piggy. You can have Piggy. Hindi na sila kumain. Sarap yun sa coffee.
For the cake.
Ooh, let's have some coffee too. Ano? Yay! No, you eat the stars. Don't turn it around. Wow! Looks good. Ayan o. Mukhang masarap, guys.
Pinipili niya lang ako icing.
Yung icing lang, o. There, o. And for proceed with your fork.
Sure, black coffee na rin.
Oo.
The door is
Be careful.
the door only.
Star only. Easter star.
Hold it.
So, nag-ikot-ikot muna ako dun sa mall. Hindi naman siya traditional mall dad. Para siya yung, alam mo yung mga uni-wide, mga ganun. Ay, yung lumang klase. Hindi siya talaga parang SM.
Nandun yung Goldilocks.
Oo, sa bata. So, umakyat pa kami sa taas. Tapos nag-explore.
Nakita dati doon.
Hindi, saan yun?
Bumaba dati doon.
Oo, tapos pupunta ako sa market. This time, pupunta ako sa mall.
Lumang mall na yun?
Hindi, yun po yung tinatawag nila dito. Igo.
Talaga ba? Wala naman masyadong iguro doon. Pero mostly local, walang tourist doon.
Dito siya.
Tsaka ano, mahirap yung layout nila.
The next day.
Hey Momshies! The next day, I'm here with Kuya River again. We're going to the market. Sama kayo sa amin. Malengke tayo ng lunch natin for today. Para masarap ang lunch natin. Tara! Eh, yung ito, magkano to?
150.
Ito eh, boneless ba to? Boneless? Magkano yun?
At na boneless.
Boneless.
Boneless. 75 po. Magkatabi sila. Netling ng kaunti.
35 to, te? Pabili isa. Isa lang? This is our market. Maliit lang siya. Pero marami ka na mabibili. So we're done buying market things. Ito ako may pinya. So let's open that sa bahay.
75 years later.
Hey Momshies! Ayan na. We're here sa Children's Park. Natutulog si Baby Ring. And si Kuya naglalaro sa slides doon. Mga slides. And si Dada nasa tennis. So nagtitennis siya doon. And nandito kami sa Children's Park. Kasama ni Kuya River si Yaya. Ayan. Andun sila nag-slide. Nadala ko rin tong tent dito sa park. Sobrang ganda dito mga mom. Mga birds doon. Nangunguha ng pagkain. So it's now 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Maaga natapos si Dada sa kanyang work. And naglalaro siya ngayon ng tennis. So, on the way here, nakatulog. Ayan. Nakatulog. Ayan siya ngayon. Nilagyan ko na siya ng off lotion kasi malamok ito. And ito ang baon namin. Meron kaming mga banana, pulboro, apple. And I'm just here. I'm gonna read my tarot cards. I'm gonna listen to my ebook. And I'm just gonna enjoy the weekend. Kaya, ali kayo. Sama kayo sa amin. Tara, let's go!
We were young and we were free and running. Never bothered about.
Anyways, yun na po ating vlog for today. Hope na nag-enjoy kayo. Let me know down in the comments kung ano yung mga errands na lagi nyo rin ginagawa as a mom. I would like to know. And if you want to watch more mommy lifestyle videos, day in the life videos, it will be here sa side. Just click it and I will see you on the next one. Bye!